Hello everyone, there is a simple video. If you do have any wireless headset, might be your headset is more than 100 pounds. So obviously when one of the cable is ripped, you're not going to replace it. So what you can do easy repair, because every single headset got two cable inside which is soldered on actual speaker. Okay, so let's say if you have Dr. Dre headset or Plantronics, obviously those headset are more than 200 plus, you know. So what you can do easy fix, which one does cost only 5 minutes. So we're going to show you how to do that. So what you need a soldering iron. You don't have to buy this one because this is more than 100 pounds. What you can do, you can get just handheld one, which does cost not more than 10 pounds. And you need the solder, and that's all. Okay, so what you need to do, there are two connections as you can see here. One of them is the line which is says number plus, you can see plus, and another one is which is minus. Okay, so the red one goes to plus and the white one goes to neutral. So we're going to connect it. Okay, so first, this cable is not like coaxial cable. They put kind of resin on the top. So what you need to do, make sure you hold the solder and your hot gun together for a couple of seconds, then it produces a layer on the top, so you'll have good transmission on it. Just keep it for a couple of seconds. Okay, you just need to melt the top resin and then it's going to be fine. As you can see now, there is a nice layer on the top. So do the same thing for the white cable. Okay, fine, good. Okay, and don't worry about the temperature. If you say 400 plus, that's okay. Okay, if 250 plus, that's reasonable. That's okay, that's fine. Okay, so now this is ready to go. What you can do, you can put some extra bit of solder on the connector, then it would be easy to put the cable in. Okay, good, absolutely fine. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this. Okay. Good. One more minute and then it would be done. Good. Brilliant, and it's done.
Shabash.
So we can put it back together. Sometimes you might need some kinds of adhesive. 1 second. As you can see here, the actual shape will be like this. Good. Okay, let me check. No, good. Oh, if this is left, is that left or right? This is left. Okay, if that is right, so the shape would be exactly that way, I believe. 1 second. That's fine. So you don't need glue or anything. What you need to do, make sure you bring it to the right pattern and just click it.
Follow the next one.
Yeah, so if it doesn't click, obviously you need kind of the little touch of super glue should be fine. So this is ready and you don't have to buy one more brand new one. Okay, so that's how you fix your audio headset. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye for now.